Good morning. Welcome to
Fun Math number 76.
Fun Math number 76. Doesn't sound very fun to me. What is the first time after 8 o'clock that the hands of a clock are opposite each other? All right, you understand the problem?
Yeah.
Do you understand what you're going to have to do to solve this problem?
Yeah.
Okay. I sneakily drew a clock on our whiteboard to save a little time, because I know it's a little hard to draw the hands of a clock underneath the tripod. Okay, so we're trying to find when the hands of this clock are going to be opposite each other for the first time after 8 o'clock. Okay, about when is that going to be, by the way?
Well, could be somewhere like that.
Okay, so about what time is that?
About 8:10.
Okay, so we think it's going to be somewhere around 8:10. In fact, if the hour hand didn't move, when would it be?
Would be 8:10.
It would be 8:10. So the hour hand moves a little bit. So what time, if you were going to guess what time it was going to be about, what would you guess?
Around maybe 8:10 to 8:15.
Somewhere between 8:10 and 8:15. Is it closer to 8:10 or closer to 8:15?
Probably closer to 8:10.
Okay, probably closer to 8:10. Okay, great. So what are you going to do?
Well, I'll figure out the starting angle, which is there's 4 wedges, which are each 30 degrees.
Okay.
This is 120.
Okay, it starts out at 120 degrees, that angle. Okay.
And then we're trying to look for an 180 degree angle.
Okay, we're trying to find what time that angle is 180 degrees.
Well, the minute hand's gonna increase the angle.
As the minute hand moves, the angle increases by how much?
By 6 degrees a minute.
Okay.
And the hour hand is shrinking it by half a degree a minute.
Okay. So we're going to write down an equation that uses the fact that the initial angle is 120, that the hour hand increases, the minute hand increases the angle by 6 degrees a minute, and the hour hand shrinks it by half a degree per minute. Okay?
Yep.
All right. What's that equation going to be?
Well, it's 120 plus 6t minus 1/2 t.
Okay. Okay, that's our equation. That's the equation for our angle, 120 plus 6t minus 1/2 t. What are we going to do with that equation?
Well, this equals 180.
We want to find out what time that this equals 180. Okay?
So we could subtract 120 from both sides.
Okay, and whatever, tell you what, let me write that. I'll write for you. You just tell me what to do. Subtract 120 from both sides?
6t minus 1/2 t is 60.
Okay.
So 5.5 t is 60.
Okay.
Well, let's just multiply by 2 on both sides.
Okay, what happens when we multiply by 2 on both sides?
12t minus t is 120.
120. So 11t is 120. Okay.
This is around 11.
All right, so t is 120 over 11, so t is about 11. Just a little bit bigger than 11 or a little bit less than 11?
A little bit short of 11.
A little bit shorter than 11. So what does it mean if t is about 11 minutes?
T is about 11, then it's 6 times 11. It's 66 minus 5.5.
Well, if t equals 11, we just solved the equation. We said t is about equal to 11. It's actually 120 over 11, but t is about equal to 11. What does that mean?
It means that 11 minutes later.
11 minutes later. So about what time are the hands opposite each other?
8:11.
8:11. Okay. Now, does that make sense from the picture we drew in the beginning?
Yeah. It was around 8:10.
So we said it was around 8:10, all right?
Yep.
Okay, good job.